Hey guys, it's Yinka and welcome to today's video. I'm currently in Dallas at my fiance's apartment and we are getting ready to head to Afronation. I'm really excited. This would be my first time in Puerto Rico and it's just like a little trip that me and Bae are doing together. So I wanted to hop on here to share my outfits, a little pack with me, get ready with me. I want to share with you guys how I normally pack. So typically when I'm going somewhere, the way I pack is a daytime look, nighttime look. If there's a pool, swimwear. Then my nighttime look either transitions to the club or I have a club look. So 9 times out of 10, I try to make my evening look transition to the club just so I'm packing less. And even if it's just changing of the shoes, that's cool. So that's pretty much how I packed for this trip that I want to share with you guys. And we arrive in Puerto Rico at 5 p.m. and that's literally when Thursday show starts, so that's fine. We'll go to the hotel, freshen up into trying these looks. And again, all the links will be linked in the description box down below. And let's get started. This is the Thursday daytime look that if we were getting to Puerto Rico a bit earlier, I would have worn like on the beach, just, you know, hanging around. And this is a bodysuit from Faye Noel. And I'm wearing a medium. And what I love about this bodysuit is that, you know, I can make it one shoulder up, one shoulder down, both shoulders down, or both shoulders up. So I'm gonna be wearing it both shoulders down. And I got this super cute sarong from Monday Swimwear, I think Monday Swim. I'll put the link down below. And pretty much, this is a super cute skirt, swim. So this is just like a super cute skirt, whether I decide to go to the beach or I'm just walking around town. I can also wear it to the side. If I'll probably wear it to the side. And then the sandals that I packed were my black Gucci leather slides. So pretty much with this look, I'm just like, you know, what is a look that can easily go from like beach to getting lunch to like walking around, or even if I don't go to the beach, it's still appropriate enough that I can like explore the city, walk around. Skirt with the Faye Noel bodysuit. So yeah, this is daytime look number 1. This is what I'll be wearing to the concert Thursday night. This is a cute knitted set from Sabo Skirt, and they're an Australian brand. I love their pieces because they're really unique. The top is a bit see-through. I am wearing a strapless bra underneath though, and the skirt is lined. So I chose this because in case it gets a little chilly at night, the knitted material can still keep me warm. I can throw on my jean jacket and I can wear any type of shoe with this look. So initially when I was thinking that the concert was gonna be on the beach, I was thinking to myself, okay, what is a shoe that I could wear on the beach that, you know, I don't mind if sand get in my feet, but if I want to take my shoes off, I'm still comfortable. And that is why I'm packing these Prada Velcro sandals, much because they go with every look, regardless of whether I'm on the beach or, you know, on regular ground. So when we get there and I see really how day 1 is, that'll determine like if and when I wear these going forward. But I definitely will either be wearing these or my black Gucci sandals for Thursday night. And that easily, well, these will easily transition to the club, so we'll see. But I do plan on bringing 1 pair of heels that I can easily slide into. So yeah, this is the look for Thursday. This is Friday, my daytime look, and this look is perfect before the concert and festivities happen. You know, if we do brunch, explore around the town of Puerto Rico. I love this set because it's fun. I can easily put my bathing suit underneath, at least the bottom underneath, and transition into the water. So yeah, this is Thursday, and I'm wearing a strapless bra. You don't have to, but I just like the, you know, coverage and extra support that having a bra under gives. Yeah, so this is for Thursday during the day. And then I'm gonna try on, or show you guys rather, the swimwear. So for Thursday, if I decide to lounge by the pool, I have my collective swimsuit bottom. This is a medium, and I'm going to pair it with this white bra top that I have from Zara, and it just like wraps and wraps, crisscrosses around. So this is Friday swim, Friday daytime, and then the necklace that I'll be wearing throughout the entire trip is this Yinka Orison, let me zoom in, Yinka Orison signature necklace. And guys, I got a second earring pierce. I got a second earring hole. So these are my earrings. These are from my jewelry line Kano, and I'll be pairing it with my Yinka Orison signature stud. Ooh. So yeah, this is Thursday during the day, and again, whether I decide to do my Velcro, my black Gucci sandals is cool. I'm also bringing these. So I'm also bringing these pool sandals. They're just clear slides from Gucci, and any bathing suit I wear or anything by the water, I'll be straight. So this is my look for Friday night. I have these white linen shorts from Monday Swim, and one of my favorite tops from a Nigerian designer named Oyato. I love the versatility of this top. Again, I'm thinking evening time, concert. I really don't want to bring a jean jacket, but I want to be warm in case I get cold. So this long sleeve top that I can wear up high if I actually start to really get cold, but I will enter the place with off the shoulder, of course. And again, this outfit easily transitions to the club. I can just throw on my heels, or I can just keep on my sandals that I'll be wearing. So yeah, I really love this top. It's given, you know, Afrocentric, Afronation, you know, stepping out day 2. You also want to be comfortable. That's the other thing with these concerts. Like, I was like, I want to be comfortable, because when my songs come on and I'm yelling and screaming, like, I'm just so excited. So yeah, this is look for the evening, number 2. Now we have daytime look for Saturday. One of my favorite dresses, it's from Sabo Skirt. It's, again, the same Australian brand that made the knitted 2-piece that I plan to wear on Thursday. So this is also a fun dress. It is completely open back, which I love. Ruching, you know, just to add a little zhazhouge, whatever that means. Yeah, simple. So again, have my sun hat, because it's supposed to be in the 80s in Puerto Rico. And again, whether I decide to wear heels or flats, anything goes with this dress. So actually, I don't even know. I might wear it in the evening on Saturday. I haven't really, it just depends on my really just the vibes, how I feel. But for now, this is daytime for Saturday. I might wear this at night though. Yeah, I might actually wear this at night. We'll see. But yeah, so far for the day. This is my Saturday night look, but actually, now that I'm recording this, I think I might do this look during the day. This is an Ankara skirt that I have with this off-the-shoulder white top from Monday Swimwear. It's very cute, very casual. Let me get my hat. Yeah, actually, I think this might be my daytime look. So the green dress I'll probably wear, the green dress I'll wear at night. this will be my daytime look. You know, it's cute, it's conservative, you know. This is how the back ties. I'm currently not wearing a bra with this top. And this is a medium. So yeah, this will be the day look. Got a little mixed up, but you know, that's why I like to try my outfits on, and filming this and showing you guys what I think I plan to wear really does help with my decisions making once I get to my destination. So super cute top, it's midi skirt, off the shoulder top, and of course with the straw hat. And then I want to show you guys the swimsuit for Saturday, along with the cover up that I plan to also wear. This is the swimsuit for Saturday, or I might wear it Friday, but for now it's Saturday, and it's from Riot Swim. I'm wearing a medium. I forgot the style name from the top of my head, but I will include it down below. The back is giving thong, so I will not be turning around for that. But this is pretty much what the swimsuit looks like. And I'm pairing it with one of my favorite kimonos from Kai Collective. And with this look, I can either do my sun hat, or I can also do, so this is the look with the sun hat. Love it, it's giving vacation. And, or I can decide to tie the headscarf that comes with the kimono. So I'm gonna bring both, of course, because I can't really decide right now, but I do love it without, because you know, the scarf is just giving luxurious vibes. But yeah, and that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the description box, the comment section down below, and I will definitely be sure to get back to you. And stay tuned for my Puerto Rico vlog, y'all. See you in the next video. Bye.